Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some AI sports wireless headphones. So they're kind of those ones that just kind of go around your ear so you can still kind of hear things that are going on. They're not going to cancel out every bit of noise around you. So just taking out all the stuff here. Oh, it comes with the charging cable. Looks like USB to USB-C. And this is going to be the headphones here. Look at that, it comes in a nice little package. And that's where the USB-C will plug in to charge it. And we can open it up here, and it looks like it's got the little tape over the little chargers. Just right now, just for the time being, I probably have to pull those off in order to activate it. Okay, there's one side off. Put that back in. Oh, now it's lighting up, so it's saying 78% charging. And the other one here. And there we go. Okay, so now I should probably be able to connect to it on my Bluetooth here. So let's see settings on the Bluetooth. We'll see if it finds it. And it's gonna have its AI app that I'm gonna have to download and install over here too. So I'm gonna need to do that here in a second. I guess let me go ahead and get it connected up and download the app, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and it was called JM something on the Bluetooth, but now I'm here at the point where I'm going through the setup here. It says the first thing I have to do is pair it, so I connect on Bluetooth. Next step, gonna have to connect it all up to here. Free talk. What is that? Free talk. I guess that just lets me talk and record. Speaker mode, start experience. Okay, so let's just say each one wears, oh, so you can do the translation on it. That's what it is. It's gonna do the AI translation. But we can just do one person wears earphones, one uses a phone for touch mode. Oh, I have to authorize my QR code. Where was that? That was over here on the little card it came with. Okay, confirm. Okay, so back to allow. Okay, so so now it'll do Chinese to English and English to Chinese. So that is what it's doing now. Oh, actually, I guess I have to switch it. Now it's going to do Chinese to English and English to Chinese. Oh, English to Chinese and Chinese to English. So here we go. Now I am somehow talking in Chinese and I don't even know Chinese. So this will be, if I go to China, I can do that. And then I can push the stop button, stop it, and I can make it into other languages as well. Oh, now it's saying the whole thing, but let's see if I want to go to Spanish, I could do that instead. And now I could say I want to talk in English and it's gonna write it down in Spanish. That's a great way to do the translation just through these headphones. And one of the cool things you could do is you could do that speaker mode where you hold it to the microphone, the free talk where each person wears an earbud. So I could give this earbud to somebody speaking Spanish, I'm speaking English, and we're talking to each other and it's translating as it goes. So how cool is that? And then we can do voice notes, photo translation, and other things that we can do through translation. So this is a really cool little thing here. And these are good. These are nice ones to share because they don't go in your ear. They're not like those ones that stick all the way in. So you're not going to get their nasty germs and stuff. But the sound is really good too. You guys can't necessarily hear it, but like when I was playing, just that, it sounded really good. Let me see if I just go to some video on YouTube. Sounds good to me. I mean, it's not AirPods Pros, but it's going to be a good, something good as well. So these are nice headphones, and they fit really good. I can barely even feel them. These would be good while I'm doing something else because I can still hear myself while it's going. So these are great. So I'll be taking these along when I go somewhere and doing my translations when I travel. Thumbs up.